Hey guys, welcome to a new video from Masters of Consulting. In this video, we're going to show you the way you can apply for permanent residence or Niederlassungserlaubnis in Germany. So Jayant have recently had all the required specifications that he has to meet to get his permanent residence, and let's learn from him what all things are needed and how did he do this process. So Jayant, can you please explain us?
Actually, I did complete online process for Munich. There is a online link or a online website where you can apply for your permanent residence or Niederlassungserlaubnis. So I just went to this website and I checked what are all the documents required. The documents required are one is the application form, the permanent residence application form. It has fields like your name and from how many months you are working and all those things. That is the first thing, the application. And next thing is Arbeitgebers Bestätigung. It's confirmation from your employer that you are working for them currently and you are not in a probationary period. If you are in probationary period, you can't do this application. And just a quick overview about the requirements for this permanent residence application, or when you want to apply this permanent residence, you should have blue card from 21 months if you have the B1 German certificate. If you have completed B1 exam, then you can apply after 21 months of your blue card. After you got your blue card and you have completed 21 months, if you have studied in a German course, I think it's 24 months. You have studied the masters here in Germany and then you started working and you didn't finish B1, so you can apply after 24 months. That's what I know from online websites and all about the requirement.
21 months when you are working with B1. Without B1, it's 33 months if you have a blue card. So this is for that. But for studying, what do you mean?
The people who studied here in Germany, the people who have studied, there is a special rule that I have seen in a few links.
People who have studied for 24 months, so they have done their masters for 2 years and then they worked.
Not exactly masters, they have studied here in Germany before starting working here, before they started working here. But there are few Ausländer bureaus saying that you should have studied in German if you don't have B1 to apply in 24 months. It depends on even your Ausländer Behörde or your international office where you are applying. So you have to check the proper requirement with them. So now coming back to the required documents, first is the application of this permanent residence, and the next thing is the Arbeitgeber Bestätigung, the confirmation from your employer, and the next thing is your house contract is also required, and one more document from your landlord that they have to confirm that you are living here from this many months or something like that. That is another document, the confirmation from your landlord.
How much you are paying for your rent?
Totally how much income you are getting and how much are your expenses. That is also one of the required documents. And one more important thing is your Rentenversicherung Vorlauf mit Wartankunft. That is how it's called in German. It's the complete details of your Rentenversicherung or your social insurance that you have paid. That should be minimum of 21 months. You should have paid the this social contribution for minimum of 21 months. You can get even that online. There is a we'll make sure to provide the link online, in our description. So you just go to this link and get this document before you do this application. That's it. And then you just do this application online. And one more tip that what we can give that we learned from our friend is that after you do this application online, just print all these documents and send it to them by post to your Ausländer Behörde. If you send it via post, then your application process is faster, because I have seen and even myself personally experienced that I just did online application. I didn't hear back from them even after 2 months. But I have a friend, like she applied online and she sent her application by post. Then she was able to get an appointment already within like 5 to 6 days. Actually, this is really fast. So I would suggest, after you do this online application, please print out all these documents and even send the post to this Auslander Bureau.
And also we will make sure that we give the description of all the documents that is required, and we are from Munich, so people who are living in Munich, you can also see this link and see that okay, how you can apply and everything.
Yeah, we make sure to give the links of all the documents required. And even this how to get your Rentenversicherung thing, the document. So yeah, that's it.
Yeah, thanks a lot guys, and we want to take this opportunity again just to please keep in mind to help people who are really in trouble in these days. For example, in India or also many other countries like Brazil who are suffering from COVID, please try to donate as much as possible. And thanks a lot. If you like the video, as always, please make sure you like, share and subscribe. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and until next time.
Bye bye.